Hello everyone, hope you all are well. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain about anthracene. So what is anthracene? Anthracene is a fused polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons. What is the formula of anthracene? Carbon 14, hydrogen 10. So this is a structure of anthracene. You can see here 3 benzene rings fused together in linear manner. This is position 1, position 2, position 3 and 4 and so on. And this is position 9 and 10. Position 1, 4, 5, 8 also known as the alpha positions. And position 2, 3, 7, 8 also known as beta positions. And 9, 10 is gamma position. So this is the structure of anthracene. Now question is, if you substitute one R group or X group anywhere, how many isomers is possible? So mono substitutions give 3 isomers and di substitutions give 15 isomers. Now anthracene shows following canonical structure. Do you know all 4 structures are same? No. What is difference here? Difference is benzenoid and quinonoid ring. Because you see this structure, 1 benzenoid and 2 quinonoid structure. In this structure, 2 benzenoid, 1 quinonoid structure. In this structure, 1 benzenoid, 2 benzenoid, 1 quinonoid structure. And this is also 2 quinonoid, 1 benzenoid structure. So these 4 structures are not same. Only difference in arrangement of double bond. Now anthracene contains carbon 1 and carbon 2. Have you seen earlier? Carbon 1 and carbon 2 bonds more double bond character means shorter bond length, and carbon 2 and carbon 3 bonds to have more single bond character, longer bond length. How you know this is longer bond length or shorter bond length? With the help of X-ray diffraction study. You see, from the X-ray diffraction study, the bond length of carbon 1 and carbon 2 is found 1.37 angstrom, and bond length of carbon 2 and carbon 3 bond is 1.42 angstrom. So in anthracene all bonds are not same. Now resonance energy 84 kilocalorie per mole and average 28, less aromatic than benzene. Anthracene is also aromatic compound. It follows the Haeckel's rules. Planar in nature, alternate double bond, cyclic structure is there. Now synthesis of anthracene by Friedel-Crafts reactions. Benzyl chloride 2 molecules in the presence of AlCl3, this product will form. This product undergo oxidations, it gives anthracene. Now 2 benzene ring react with acetylene tetrabromide, it gives anthracene after elimination of 4 HBr molecule. Now 2 benzene ring react with methylene dibromide and gives intermediate product, it undergo oxidation, give anthracene. Now by Haber synthesis, benzene react with phthalic anhydride in the presence of aluminum chloride, it gives orthobenzoyl benzoic acid. Undergoes cyclization in the presence of sulfuric acid, and then reduce in presence of zinc, give anthracene. Now, Diels-Alder reaction, this is very important reaction, 4 plus 2. This is diene, this is dienophil, give this product. This product undergo oxidations, this ring oxidize, 9, 10 anthraquinone formed. Now, this compound reacts with zinc, you will get anthracene. It is here, anthracene. Chemical reaction, attack on carbon 1, you will get these two structure. It is stabilized by resonance. Leaves and naphthalene intact, loss of resonance energy 84 minus 64, 23 kilocalorie. Now attack on carbon 2, you will get only one structure. You can see here this is. Now attack on at 9 positions. Anthracene, you see these two structure. And after these two structure, which is in resonating structure, it gives, if you remove minus H plus, substitution product. And if nucleophile attack on this center, then you will get addition product. So both product is possible, substitution product as well as addition product. So reaction preferentially occurs at carbon 9 and 10. Now, Diels-Alder reaction. Anthracene gives Diels-Alder reaction with maleic anhydride and form this adduct. Anthracene oxidize in presence of oxygen, give anthracene epoxide. Anthracene react O2, this is anthracene epoxide. So here you can see anthracene give 9 substitution product, means acylations. Anthracene give 1 substituted product and 2 substituted product with sulfonic acid, SO3H, SO3H. It go oxidation at 9-10 position is oxidized with CO group, and it reduce at CH2CH2. So here undergo chlorination, addition product, then substitution product. Again undergo nitrations, it gives 9 and 9-10 substitution product. So students, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.